Black holes, the most mysterious objects in the universe. They can swallow entire stars, bend time and space, and even trap light itself. For centuries, they were thought to be pure fantasy. But today, we know they are real. How did this incredible idea come to life? And what have we discovered about them so far? The story begins much earlier than most people think. Back in the 18th century, Jean Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace proposed the idea of dark stars, objects so massive that even light couldn't escape their gravity. Imagine a star that is completely invisible. At the time, it was dismissed as speculation, and the concept was forgotten for over a century. Everything changed in 1915, when Albert Einstein introduced his general theory of relativity. It showed that gravity wasn't just a force, but the warping of space and time itself. Soon after, a German physicist named Carl Schwarzschild solved Einstein's equations while serving in World War I. His solution described an object so dense, it created a point of no return, what we now call the event horizon. But here's the twist. Even Einstein himself didn't believe such objects could physically exist. To him, they were just strange mathematical predictions. For decades, black holes remained an abstract idea. Then, in the 1960s, astronomers detected mysterious sources of powerful radiation, quasars. These objects were brighter than entire galaxies. Where could that energy come from? The answer: supermassive black holes, devouring matter at the centers of galaxies. Not long after, scientists also found black holes in binary systems, where a visible star orbited around an invisible partner. The evidence was stacking up. Black holes were no longer just theory. They were becoming reality. Today, we know that black holes are everywhere. In fact, almost every galaxy has one at its center. The Milky Way itself is home to Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole with the mass of more than 4 million suns. And in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope made history. For the first time ever, we captured the shadow of a black hole, a glowing ring of light surrounding the darkness. It was a breakthrough moment, proving that what once seemed like science fiction was real. Black holes began as a mathematical curiosity. Today, they are one of the most fascinating and terrifying mysteries of the cosmos. Do they hide wormholes to other universes? Could time truly stop inside their depths? Or do they hold secrets we can't even imagine? One thing is certain: the more we learn about black holes, the more mysterious they become. If you love exploring the unknown, subscribe and join me as we dive deeper into the cosmos. And tell me in the comments, what do you think is the scariest or most fascinating thing about black holes?